Hello again. Hello, everyone. I'm back again, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, the Make Money Online strategist, okay? Today I'm feeling very good because I'm gonna teach you one of the easiest things to do, copying and pasting. And after this, you'll be one of the happiest people on the planet because you will have a way of making money from the comfort of your home, okay? So what I need you to do is listen attentively and follow all of the steps until the end of the video. Okay, let's make things happen, good people. So the first thing I need you to do is to go onto YouTube and search for the bodybuilding keyword. Now look at these videos, like how popular they are. They get a lot of views, which means this is a popular subject matter. So in today's exercise, I want us to turn that into our advantage. And when I say our advantage, I obviously mean growing our bank account. So if you're like me, you want to grow your bank account today, just comment on the section right below and just type these words, "I'm getting paid today." Anyway, back to the topic. I want to show you a cool way of leveraging the popularity of these videos to make you a ton of money right now. And no, you don't need to show your face in front of the camera and stuff like that, but you just need to be extra careful. So I advise you to listen carefully, even though it's easy, but you just need to listen attentively, okay? So now just click here on filters and come here on Creative Commons. Click on it. So the reason behind this is to avoid the drama of copyright strikes, okay? This actually means that you can do whatever you want with these videos, okay? Without anyone breathing down your neck accusing you of stealing his or her content. Once you filter it this way, you're good to go. Okay, good. So now what you need to do is download one of these videos, okay? So we can put them to work. So for example purposes, I will click on this one, pause it, right click and copy the URL of the video. So now that you have the URL of the video, open another tab, Google up YouTube video downloader. Just click on one of them, okay? They basically work the same way. So what you need to do is just paste your URL here, generate the download link like this. Now there you have it. Download it straight to your computer. Alright, now that you've downloaded the video into your computer, this is where things get interesting, okay? I want you to go to a website called digistore24.com. This is the website that is gonna literally print out our money, okay? Just like it says here, more sales, less work. And that's my type of arrangement. Now, before we get started, you want to create a totally free account. And the other good news is it's available to every country on the planet, because sometimes I get texts like, "Hey, please make videos that can help me too. I'm from Zimbabwe, I'm from Seychelles." So now is the golden chance, okay? So click here on register now. Now when you get here, make sure you sign up as an affiliate. So you're gonna mark affiliate. Now type your password, confirm it, your time zone, and then you come to the personal info and just enter your details. It's worth mentioning that you gotta skip the part where it says company and where it wants your Skype name, and then mark the boxes below, because that means you agree to their terms and conditions, and then click on register and then you're good to go. Now click on affiliates, log in. Now this is your dashboard. Just go to marketplace and come over to the section on the left and choose fitness and health. Now scroll down to this product called the Advanced Bodybuilding Program. Now check this out. They give out a 40% commission, meaning if someone buys the product because of you, you get paid 40% of the price of each unit sold, which in this case is $63. So that means if 2 units are sold because of you, you stand to make double the money. Now listen to this. Listen, I want you to listen very carefully. This is the most exciting part of the whole exercise. Like, it's the whole point of it. Without this, I think the chances of making money would be very, very slim. Now check this out. This is the highest converting offer in the bodybuilding space. So that means people are loving this product. They're buying it. It's literally flying off the shelves. Now the question is, how are we gonna make this our money making stream? Like, how are we going to be the middleman, or like sort of like tax them, if you will? Now that's simple. Just come here and copy this link, okay? Now this link is the one that will get you paid. So you have to remember that we have that fitness video we downloaded, okay? Okay, now that you have your link from Digistore, I want you to head over to YouTube and create your own channel, customize it, upload the video you downloaded, and then I need you to make sure that you add your link from Digistore 24 in your video description. Let me repeat that. Make sure that you add your link from Digistore 24 in your video description. Okay? And by that, all of the people that are interested in bodybuilding will view the video, okay? And some of them will eventually go to your video description and purchase the product. And by that, you, the owner of the YouTube channel, you are making some decent money in your sleep. Why? Because you listen to me. You listen to the strategy. Okay? So, as I wrap it up, if you feel like this video was the perfect heads up, if you are blown away, just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be among the first people to hear about every strategy I present to you. That will propel you to make the most money, okay? Because if you come first, you get served first. And that's how everything works. See what I did there? Okay, for now let's end here. And we shall meet in some of my next videos, okay? Peace out.